Broken blinds can be a frustrating problem, but fortunately, there are solutions. From identifying the problem to troubleshooting and repair techniques, we've got you covered. Curtain Alterations Dubai, we're going to explain the easiest and cheapest DIY fixes for your broken window blinds. Reasons for broken blinds. 1. Tangled cords or slats. Quickly pulling the cords downwards to open the blinds may result in tangled cords. Similarly, any obstruction in the slats while opening or closing the blinds can get them tangled or damaged. 2. Bent slats. The window blinds of low quality are a no-purchase option because they can get bent even with the slightest pressure. A bent slat will get stuck in the headrail and therefore, you'll face problems regarding the functional mechanism of the window blinds. 3. Malfunctioning mechanism. It may be that your window blinds have a built-in defect for operation and therefore, you might experience problems related to functional controls. The signs of damaged or broken window blinds. The blinds won't open or close and/or are stuck in one place. The slats function but don't properly rotate and sometimes get stuck in one position. The cords are jammed and won't get pulled for making the blinds function. The step-by-step explanation to fix broken window blinds. Both vertical and horizontal blinds share some common damage problems that need to be resolved just the same way. 1. Fixing tangled cords. The first thing is to unknot the tangled cords for a quick fix approach. However, if that's not possible, then you need to buy and replace the cords with a new set. For this purpose, you'll have to open the blind's headrail and derail the cords from the operating mechanism. Then, attach the new set of cords and you're good to go about your day. 2. Straightening bent slats. No matter whether you've aluminum or any other window blinds, never try to put pressure on the bent slats for fixing. 3. Replace individual slats. To replace the broken slat or slats, you have to remove the plugs using the screwdriver located on the sides of the windows that keep the blinds intact. After that, you have to pull out the cords and start removing each slat one by one until you reach the damaged one. Take out and replace that damaged slat or slats and start inserting all the slats through the bottom rail. Now, you need to have the cords tied again after passing them through the bottom rail. Tighten loose screws. It can happen that the screws holding the window blinds have come loose and your window blinds have not remained even in position. In that case, the blinds won't function smoothly unless you tighten the screws using a screwdriver. Some important measures for smooth blinds operation and damage prevention. Regularly clean your window blinds to minimize the chances of dust and dirt accumulation in the headrail, thus preventing jammed cords and slats. Never hush to open or close the blinds as it can lead to tangled cords and broken slats. Always remember that pulling the cords with excessive force will get them broken and can cost you time, effort, and money.